Hi, I'm Jeff with Motion Pro, introducing you to our latest digital tire pressure gauge today. Now this has proven to be one of our staple products. It is trusted by race teams throughout the industry, as well as Dunlop tire techs. Now digging into the features of the digital air pressure gauge, we'll first talk about the air gauge head itself, which has an auto on-off backlit display and large numbers, and so it's really easy to read even in low lighting situations. It reads 0 to 60 psi with high precision down to 0.1 psi and accuracy of plus or minus 0.6 psi. Attached to the head is our trapezoid manifold, which is billed aluminum in construction and gives a nice ergonomic feel in your hand. It also gives access to our high pressure bleeder, which was designed by Motion Pro. Now moving on, we have this long air hose which has dual swivels, and so you can get into tight areas and still get a good read at the gauge. And at the end, now included, is our Pro air gauge chuck. Now this chuck is available on its own for use just with air pressure gauges. It's not a filler, but it engages positively onto valve cores for extremely accurate readings. So as you can see, the Motion Pro digital air pressure gauge is jam-packed with innovative features that make this really easy to use and extremely accurate. So go ahead and pick one up for yourself today. It's available from dealers nationwide.
If you like this video and like to see more, make sure to subscribe to Motion Pro's YouTube channel right here.